in the back.
The compression gauge in there, the spark plug hole, right in there. I get some light in here. Okay, we got her going in, winding in. Hopefully it'll seal properly. Okay, we're gonna see what happens here. It's not holding pressure. Hang on. It's like 35.
Nothing.
I can't get this. This little valve is leaking. This little valve is leaking here, so might have to take that apart.
Wow.
Wow.
Where's wow?
35 psi. It doesn't seem to be leaking.
Yeah,
that's not very good.
That's not very good.
What the hell?
Okay, let's try the back one.
Now, Chris is going to see if he can get the compression tester down in this rear cylinder. It's almost impossible with this air duct in there. To get that off, that's a real pain.
Yeah, this one's got more.
Got more? Yeah.
Yeah.
But since the front one's shot, might as well do them both. So there's the answer. Garbage. Alright, demolition begins. We're gonna take this engine out or destroy it trying. Oh wait, I think I should put insurance on it first. The Brute Force 750 POS. I got everything disconnected from this side except for the engine bolts and the pipe. Gotta get the pipe off, that should be fun. Carbs are loose. Hang those up from the handlebars. So these front drive shafts just pull right out.
Can-Am take note.
That's pretty cool, yeah. Can-Am take note. Just pulls right back out of the engine. Nice. Yeah. So what happens on the rear? I'm not sure which way the rear goes. That pops off that way. Yeah, I'm not sure how the rear one does it.
The guy in the video said you're just supposed to slide back.
You believe guys in video?
No. Oh, there it goes, yeah.
Yeah, there it goes. Wow. Look at that, eh, Can-Am?
Yeah, it just slides back.
You had to take two nuts out, or two bolts out that were super yellow seized in there, and then you had to remove all the bolts of the rear diff and slide the rear diff back so you could pull the drive shaft out. Wow. Jigsaw puzzle, I gotta take that
I think I gotta take the heat shield off.
shield off, yeah, probably.
I'm looking at it and it's laughing at me, so. I'm thinking it's gotta come off. Jenga. Jingle with the exhaust.
Should go above the tire there, shouldn't it?
So you got the fuel tank thing.
Nice. All right, everything's disconnected. Engine bolts are out, mounts are off. Should be ready to come out. And we'll see.
You didn't have to take it off either.
What was that?
That was a hose clamp that on you didn't have to take off.
Oh, wow.
It was,
We didn't have to.
it was going.
Oh, okay. All right. So what's the easiest way to do this?
Well, I got the.
I mean, do we gotta swing it or
No, I think we just got to kind of lift it and go that way.
forward a bit and?
We got to get it under the front mount. Okay, that's my hand. Try to swing the back.
Up a bit, lift it up. No, the back there. There we go. Okay.
Okay, come over there. Don't hurt your back. I'll come over.
Whew. One lame brute force motor, POS. Holy, we're done. Oh,
There we go.
okay. There's the motor out. What a.
Wasn't that bad.
Wow. Not what I was expecting. Okay, one POS engine on the table. Now comes the fun part.
Engine.
Okay. One cap off.
Well, that looks good. No wear.
Looks nice. I don't think it skipped a
No.
tooth. No.
Chains are tight.
Okay.
Wow.
There's supposed to be gaskets on there?
Nope. No, silicone. No scoring.
All right.
We'll loosen off the tensioners. Front camshaft.
That's the rear.
Nope. Front.
All right, so everything's got silicone on it and little washers are missing and stuff. So this has been taken apart before, which is always a really good sign. Okay, we're gonna have to break that one loose. Yeah, it works better. One's got a rubber gasket and one doesn't.
Yeah, I think that's silicone.
Silicone. Goody.
Nothing hiding down there.
black. All right, we're gonna put some new valves in there. Put some new pistons and rings, gaskets. Hopefully we'll get a better engine. Hopefully. All right, look at that. Got a hole in the POS brute. Big empty space. Oh, I know what we'll do. We'll put an electric motor in it.
Oh.
There we go. Now we're thinking. Now we're thinking. You can just cut this carb right out of there.
Strap some batteries to the back of it.
Yep. And we'll be set. Right on.